feeling after 2 years of hard work and not wanting to things go out of my hand, I finally am letting the music go.
What I did want to ask you is, we know with you, filmmaking is this extensively long process, 2.5 years between each film, 2.5 years. Now we are on the threshold of release. The music is about to be launched today. How are you feeling now, at this very moment, standing on stage?
Right now, feeling very happy. I feel all the hard work has paid off. I think I've worked with a great team. All my technicians and my musicians and my people involved in music, everyone is absolutely brilliant. And I feel very satisfied when I think and look back and when I'm sitting over there, have I made the film right? Is it all right? So I'm feeling good. I want to, at this moment, definitely thank Sony Pictures, Gareth, Uday, Kunal, Sridhar, for being the best producers in the world. I think there's nobody better than you all, and I couldn't have asked for more. Thank you so much. Sunita, so God bless, thank you. And I'm happy that this is what I feel right now, so leave it.
Yeah, we won't stop the questioning just yet. We'll change the topic. We'll steer it around to what this evening is about. It's about Ranveer and Sonam. Now there's a lot of hype amongst moviegoers about them, and now they are going to be presented in front of the world.
The great-grandson of the great Raj Kapoor, great-grandson of the great Prithviraj Kapoor, of the son of the great Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Singh, and Ranveer Kapoor and Chinku Kapoor are his uncles, and it's such a responsibility.
When, director, assistant director, that kind of relationship. Now you're their boss, it's a director-actor relationship.